one of the proudest moments in 17 years. This is the first time it's ever happened at Little Voices where we've taken on a huge cinema. Laura's put all of this together from Bolton, Bury and Worsley, and every child has got their moment to shine. It's just fabulous. They're coming in on the red carpet, they're having their pictures taken, but they're going to see their hard work and be able to look at it and share that with family and friends. How special is that moment for them?
I feel really excited because I want to see what it's like.
She's been super excited. She loves films and movies and acting, so seeing herself on the big screen is going to be amazing. I think she's going to be so proud of herself.
And this is the moment that they get to really shine, for you to enjoy it. And for the first time ever, they get to watch themselves perform rather than being on the stage.
And what's this experience been like as a family, seeing him up on the big screen?
Yeah, it's really good.
When we took him early on to Bolton, he was always the first at the door.
Yeah.
That's what we...
And you always
can't
come
wait to go in.
happy and smiling and chatting.
Great, and very performing as usual. I really liked being on the big screen with everyone seeing me.
Dottie just loves it. She just loves getting up with a microphone, dancing, singing, and just loves an audience.
I really like Little Voices because we get to act, but then we also have fun whilst we're doing it. So, very good.
I think being able to just glance at their child and see their reactions about all the work they've put into their scripts and their songs, and they will be watching the screen, but they'll be also watching the reaction of their children, and that's really special. At Little Voices, it's all about the individual child and giving them these very special experiences, focusing in on their individual talents, their creativity, and this is a really special way of doing that in a cinema on the big screen. It's just amazing.